What's the meaning of contort? Contort. Contort.
Contort. Contort. The term contort refers to the act of twisting or bending out of its normal shape. It can be used to describe a person's body movements or the shape of an object. When something is contorted, it appears distorted or deformed as a result of being twisted or bent in an unnatural way. This can give rise to a sense of unease or discomfort as the contoured object no longer resembles its original form. The resulting shape may be perceived as strange, abnormal, or even grotesque.